everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the May Ipsy Glam bag. Okay, so the first item I see is this Referral brush. It's a blending brush. This is what it looks like. Okay. And the retail value of this, according to Ipsy, is $10. Okay, let's move on. And the rest of the items are in the monthly bag. This is what the bag looks like. Okay. The first item I see here is the New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. And this one, according to the website, is $10 as well. Has avocado oil, shea butter, and sugar. Okay. The next item is the Sundays brand. Let's see. It's a Sundays nail polish in color number 7. So I actually have this nail polish on right now if you guys want to see the color. This is what it looks like. It's a neutral color. Now it's not my favorite color, but it is very opaque. Like, I have two layers on, but even one layer of the nail polish was very opaque. And it's a natural nail polish as well, so that's good. Okay. The next item is this Etude Libre d'Orange perfume. Looks like this. And the name of the perfume is She Was an Anomaly. And this is supposed to be a warm floral with some woody notes in there. It's not my favorite scent, but everyone has their own favorites. And the last item that was part of my Ipsy is the Tarte CH2O lip gloss in Hang 10. So I have 3 here because I added 2 as add-ons. So that's why I have 3. You can always have add-ons every month with your monthly subscription, and I decided to add these on. So the colors are Hang 10, Sail Away, and Below Deck. So I'll swatch these. So this first one here, let's see. It's called Hang 10. That's the color. It's a pinky corally color. The next one is called Sail Away. It's a tiny bit darker. And the last one is called Below Deck, and this one has more sparkles. This one has more of a warm orange brown undertone to it. So those are what the 3 colors look like. And that's it for the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye.